Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Taste of Teranga. So today we're making vermicelli with chicken. For the ingredients, we need mix it of vegetable, vermicelli, chicken marinated for about 1 hour, bell peppers and boiling eggs for the decoration, onions for the onion sauce, and mix it of seasoning. Alright guys, so now I'm about to add the marinated chicken in the marmite and let them steam for about 20 to 25 minutes before I fry them. And by the time I let them steam, I'm going to prepare our vermicelli. Okay, just add some water and let them be. Okay, so I'm adding some oil right now and mix it all together. Okay, put it in the microwave. Hit the reheat button for 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm adding now some salted water. Put it back in the microwave for the same time. Okay, our vermicelli are soft. I'm adding the vegetable and put it back again in the microwave. Alright guys, so now it's time to remove our chicken and make our onion sauce. Okay, already add the onions, but look my chicken. I love it. Okay guys, so I already add the mixed seasoning, mix it all together, and now it's time to add some seasoning in our vermicelli. Okay, it's just some salt, black pepper, oregano leaves, and mix it all together. Okay, so guys, so you keep adding some water and put it in the microwave, back and forth until you get it soft. Okay, so now it's time to fry our chicken in our air fryer. So today I'm using this because it's easy. Okay, set to 360-degree Fahrenheit and for 20 minutes. See you guys. This is our vermicelli with chicken. Very easy to make, delicious, I'm telling you. Alright guys, that was all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Bye.